Yo, yo, what up? This is Shout Out Wednesdays with Zimbabwe Kid. And, the usual. I have two of my friends on YouTube. And I'd like to shout out their channels. The first one is Jimmy. And Jimmy's channel is youtube.com/3696 to Able. 36962ABLE. And Jimmy has, some cool videos on there, man. He's got a Savage XL truck that, that's pretty cool, man. Let me borrow that sometimes, man. But yeah, check out his videos on there and add him as a friend. Subscribe if you like the video. And also check out Chef Oma, youtube.com/Chef Oma, CHEFOUMAR. And basically Chef Oma is a chef from Senegal, currently in the UK. And here's some cool videos, man, where he shows you how to prepare a couple of dishes and things of that nature. So check out the channel, add as a friend, and subscribe as well. And that's it for today's shout outs with Zimbabwe Kid. I am Zimbabwe Kid, ZK, as some call me. And Zimba Nexus, as always, peace.